This is Paul. Yeah. I was just going over this protection order. Yes. Sheriff's return of service November 8th, but it was issued on August 30th. That would have been September, October. That was about 68 plus days they waited to attempt service, but I didn't live in the county at that time as I remember it. I can find out exactly when I did move from the county because I remember how I got to where I was going. Now, on June 1st of 2015, order reissuing temporary protection order action. Okay. Court date was set for June 12th of 2015. Motion hearing. Yes. Sheriff's return of service 6/22/2015. Sheriff's return of service. Now, I had moved to Clallam County on August 20th of 2014, thinking that the protection order that was issued in 2013 would have expired on August 31st, and that was issued. Hang on just for a second here. Affidavit, motion hearing, declaration, Heidi Budnick. Wait a second here. Sheriff's return. Order for protection. Yeah. I thought that this had expired on August 31st of 2013 or August 30th, that there was 30 days in that month. Yeah. That's why I moved back to Clallam County. I was here on August 20th, but I tell you, I walked in the police station, and then it was Assistant Police Chief Terry O'Gallagher was the police chief at that time. Yeah. And I got a copy of it, and it had been issued for 2 years. And I spent a whole year. In fact, I've been in Clallam County since August 20th of 2014. Now, you would have thought that they would have gotten to know who I was during that year. I was homeless, stayed at Serenity House, went to the library quite a bit. Didn't have a whole lot to do during that year as I waited for it to expire, but for some reason they couldn't find me when they reordered the issuing temporary protection order. But I would have thought that the police or the sheriff's department would have known who I was. Now, when I walk into the police station asking, is there anything that I need to know? Because as I understand it online, this should expire on August 30th of 2014. And the now Chief of Police, Brian Smith, gives me a copy and says, well, here's a copy of the protection order. Thanks for stopping by our office. I find out it was issued for an additional year. You would have thought that Brian Smith would have known who I was. So it looks to me that this whole attempt at service of the temporary protection order was total bullshit. Obviously, the chief of police would know who I was because I went to his office and asked if there was anything I needed to know. So there was no real attempt at reissuing a temporary protection order, and there was no real attempt at issuing a second temporary protection order. In fact, there was no real attempt at attempted service for the actual motion hearing of the protection order because I was known for a year. So really, the court didn't do anything according to the law. Nothing. Now I'm sitting here thinking to myself that I should have had my sons at the expiration of August 30th of 2015. August 30th, and then they did that motion hearing in June 1st of 2015, and that would have been June, July, August. That would have been 2 months before the expiration of the 2013 protection order, but they must have known who I was. I had spent some time with the chief of police asking him if there's something I need to know. It looks to me like there weren't any due process followed at all in 2015. I mean, 2011, you violated my right to due process. Listen, I'm gonna call you right back.